Topic 4. My school. My school is a very important place in my life. It is big, clean, and beautiful. There are many classrooms, a library, and a playground. Every day, many students come to study and learn new things. I feel happy when I go to school because I can see my teachers and friends. I go to school early in the morning. When I arrive, I greet my teachers and classmates politely. In the classroom, I sit at my desk and prepare my books. My teachers teach many subjects such as English, math, and science. They explain the lessons clearly, and I listen carefully. I try my best to understand everything. During break time, I talk with my friends and sometimes play games. We laugh and enjoy our time together. After the break, we go back to class and continue our lessons. I always try to be a good student by paying attention and doing my homework. My school also teaches me good behavior. I learn to respect my teachers and help my friends. I learn to be kind, honest, and responsible. These lessons are very important for my future. After school, I go home with a happy feeling. I think about what I learned during the day. I am proud to be a student at my school. I believe my school helps me grow and become a better person every day.